Dutchy, the big fella. He's getting pretty close to back normal, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, but there's something I want to show you. And what I wanted to show you was the way his hoof has healed. This is mostly scarring that you see down here now. That's where he was operated on, through that hole there, which was located further up the hoof, about here. Put it down again. I want to show you something. Put it down. I'll push on you and put weight on it. Right, what I wanted to show you was, they say it takes 12 months to grow a complete new hoof capsule, and during that time, it's a bit like the crimp in sheep's wool, you can tell stress periods. So we've got 1 stress line, 2 stress line, 3 or 4, 5 stress lines, and then we're up to the coronary band, which he basically wiped out. So that more or less shows every time he's had a upset with that hoof. He's not sore anymore like he was. You can touch him here without him shying away, which is good. Just look under here. His hoof's not bad because I have trimmed it, and I'll show you the next trim. He was pretty raw down in here. So that's the update on the big fella. He seems to be doing pretty well, and I'd like to keep him here until that hoof's grown out back to normal, sort of. I should get a photo of him walking, which I'll try and get and add to this. Quick, show us how you walk. You're gonna hunt those little fellas away from you loose now, aren't you? Oh, bossy mummy. Oh, Shani.